What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. Tonight we are here in Disneyland Resort. I'm so excited to be here. We will be dining at Goofy's Kitchen here at the Disneyland Hotel. We are actually staying here as well, so it was really nice. We just came down from our room. Now we're gonna have some dinner here at Goofy's Kitchen with some friends. Let's go do this. So it's actually located right next to Steakhouse 55. And we did mobile check-in on our phone and we just got called, so now we're gonna head to our table. Look who it is. Goofy. It's the chef. Hi, compliments to the chef. We haven't ate your food yet, but I'm sure it's great. Yeah, yum. All right, let's take a picture. Yeah, thanks. Love it. All right. Okay, we are at our table. So this is a buffet, and we're gonna eat and we're gonna have fun and we're gonna see some characters. I'm excited. All right, here is my round of buffet. Got a slice of pizza, carrots, mac and cheese, turkey, sirloin, chicken nugget, and some salad. Berry salad, they call it. So I'm gonna just try out everything. It's a buffet, so you know you gotta get your money's worth. Hi, Minnie. Good to see you. Yeah. Thanks so much. Bye. All right, pizza review time. Look at the flop. It's literally a 90-degree angle. Okay, one bite. Everybody knows the rules. Goofy's Kitchen, Disneyland Resort. It's actually not as bad as it may look. It's definitely what you can expect for a buffet. Goofy's Kitchen. One bite. Give it 5-2. And that's the review. Other than that, everything was alright. The mac and cheese, pretty good. Buffet mac and cheese. I do enjoy the turkey. I enjoy the carrots too. I got some vegetables. And the pizza was alright. I have yet to try everything else, so I'll let you know. What's this?
Get ready to share some garden fresh Goofies with Chef Goofy and his pals. That's right. Pick up your napkins, throw them over your
Chef
heads,
Mickey.
because here comes the toast of the town.
Chef Mickey.
The king of cuisine.
Back in the day, we used to go to Chef Mickey all the time. And this is exactly what you do in Disney World, if you know. Woo! I just got whacked with a napkin. Disney. All right, I'm gonna show you guys some of the food options. So first, here is the salad station. This is the berry salad I got, which was actually really good. Broccoli salad, artichokes and olives, Caesar, some vegetables, panzella, whatever that is, cheese board, and then some toppings for your salad if you just want to do some mixed greens. So then over here's dessert. We're not there yet, so let's go over here. There's some pizza, cheese steak, and pepperoni. Here is corn bread brulee. Ooh, that's probably good. Mini taco nachos, yum. Spring rolls, chicken nuggets. The chicken nuggets were very good as well. Popcorn shrimp, and this is the mac and cheese. So this is kind of like the kids booth. Back here they have some seasonal veggies, pesto pasta, barbecue pork ribs, garlic mashed potatoes, and southwestern chicken. Hello! We have a carving station here with sirloin and turkey. They're both delicious. Oh, and we got some sausage. Nice. Thank you. And then over here, we got some of that going on. I think that's fish. Pot roast, succotash, Spanish rice, and steak fajitas. So this is dinner now, but over here they have some fruit as well as yogurt, chia pudding, and other fruit, which is technically part of the dessert. So I'm going to show you guys the dessert now. Tiramisu, apple streusel, yum. Okay, I can eat all of these. These look like raisin cookies. They don't have a sign. raspberry streusel, lemon bars, raspberry streusel. They have some jello, creme brulee. These are my favorite, worms and dirt. I just love those. These look like little marshmallow pops. We have mini cupcakes. And then here are the plates, by the way. This is chocolate sprinkle cake, ambrosia salad, pumpkin blondie bar, apple streusel, chocolate chip cookies and macarons, salted brownies. Those look nice and fudgy. Lemon bars, and mini pumpkin pie. Over here we have a little ice cream bar. You can get it in a cup or a cone. Chocolate and vanilla or a twist. Look at this Mickey hand. So cute with the sundae. I love that. And here are their toppings: celebration sprinkles, chocolate pearls, M&Ms, Reese's Pieces, white pearls, and sprinkles. Yum. Here, this is something you must get. It's a peanut butter and jelly pizza, so I'm so gonna get that. And also, they have a s'mores pizza. Hi, my friend's missing, but it's good to see you. I think she's getting more food. It's good food, so we gotta, yeah, bulk up. All right, I opted for the PB&J pizza, the worms and dirt. I think this is a marshmallow. And some ice cream with M&Ms on it. Yum. Yes, this is a marshmallow. It's pretty good. All right, to be honest, this isn't as like amazing as people hype it up to be. It's literally just peanut butter on bread with like a little bit of jelly. Yeah, I enjoyed the worms and dirt the most. All right, this is the second time in under an hour that they did a napkin thing. So you're curious how often they do it. There's also a different song, but we didn't see many characters like dancing around. We just kind of hear the music going off. Woo! Hi, Dale. I like your chef outfit. Yeah. It's very, yes, very unique. Yeah. Want to take a selfie? Yay! Thank you. Looks good. Thank you, Dale. All right, we are back right upstairs in our room at the Disneyland Hotel, and we just finished eating at Goofy's Kitchen. Now, here are my thoughts. It was $55 per person for an adult. Do I think it was worth $55? No, but it was a great experience. I'm glad that we did it and we got to do it. For kids especially, I would say definitely go. It's Chef Mickey. If you've ever been to Chef Mickey in Disney World, that's exactly what it is. It's fun to see some of the characters and just a different setting, especially if you're staying at the Disneyland Hotel. I highly recommend because it's right downstairs. That being said, we did have a great time and it was so nice to hang out and have a buffet. I haven't been to a buffet in forever. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Disneyland, what is your favorite restaurant here? Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the Krystal Palace right down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.